guys, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I'm showing you guys what a realistic productive day in my life looks like. I showed you guys that I woke up at 6 a.m. this morning. In reality, it was even earlier. Not exactly by choice, but my husband wakes up Monday through Friday a little bit before 4 a.m. That means I wake up around that time. And recently I've been really tired. And not just in the morning, but throughout the day. Like, I could take a nap at any point in the day, it seems like recently. I'm trying to get out of this funk that I'm in. So I forced myself to get up this morning and film this video, hold myself accountable, and just show you guys what my day looks like. Like, even right now, I'm fighting the urge not to crawl back in bed. I'm not gonna do that. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys later. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like literal garbage right now. My hair is so greasy. All I know is that if I don't put myself together right now, change my outfit, put some makeup on, I'm gonna get back in that bed, and that is not happening. Okay, so I just got off of work. I'm about to head into Target. I'm gonna pick up a few things that I need, and then I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's, pick up dinner, attempt to have dinner ready by the time my husband gets home. We'll see if it happens, but I'll check in with you guys later. So I made it to Trader Joe's. Change of plans, I'm not going to be cooking dinner right when I get home. Me and Santiago have a few things we need to do before we make dinner. I'm going to pick up stuff to make salmon tacos. Really good, and it's really easy.
Yeah, I'm sure it's all where she knows. Do it every day.